HWANDONGHAE RURBAN brings the essence of Korean cordyceps to the world. Now, let us introduce 3 key reasons to choose HWANDONGHAE RURBAN. Point 1. Experience premium cordycepin with a concentration of 803 200 mg per kilogram. We develop high-potency cordycepin through research aligned with KIST testing standards. Cordycepin offers comprehensive wellness support through scientifically backed benefits that protect immunity, circulation, and overall vitality. Point 2. Carefully controlled cultivation and drying ensure purity, potency, and consistent quality in every batch. The Gold Crown process preserves active ingredients through precise process control. From cultivation to extraction, every step is carefully controlled to reflect our craftsmanship and care. Point 3. Certified by trusted domestic and international institutions, and loved by consumers and partners who value authentic Korean functional food. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us